In order to start the engine without the key in the ignition, first you need to start the engine like you usually do. After you started the engine using the key in the ignition, stop the engine, take out the key from the ignition and then press again start button. As you can see, the engine is on and the key is in my hand. You can also leave the car with the engine turned on and lock the car. This trick is very useful when you want to warm up your car locked. Thank you for watching. For any questions, you can leave a comment and I will try to answer all of you.